Hello everyone who watched this video. This is Inyanja Media TV on YouTube. You can search Inyanja Media TV then subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. So in this video we are going to see how different numbers are written in Braille. We are going to see how numbers, you understand, from 1 up to 9. We're gonna see how we write them in Braille. So as you see, but before you continue, before you proceed, let me tell you that having understood how we write from A up to Z, it's very simple. It's very simple to write from number number 1 up to number 9, even with 0. Simply let me tell you that if you take the dots of letter A, then in front of that, in front of dots of letter A, you start with number sign. If I say number sign, understand this sign, this sign. This is what you call number sign. Let me show you. This is what you call number sign. This is number sign. So it's very easy to understand that in case you find this sign in front of a letter or an alphabet, that's a number, not an alphabet. You can see number 1 is the dots of letter A. Number 2 is the dots of letter B. Number 3 is the dot of letter C. I think you are seeing this clearly. Let me hope that you are together. Don't complicate life. In case you know how to write from letter A up to letter Z, 24 alphabets, it's very easy. It's very easy to write numbers in Braille. Respectively from from 1 up to 9, we take from A up to J. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. You understand? We have 10 letters, 10 alphabets. As well, we have from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. You start with 1, that is letter A, 2, letter B, but you will read 1 or 2 in case they started with this number sign. I repeat again, in case they start with this number sign, let me show you. In case you find that they started with this number sign in front of the alphabet, immediately read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Read the numbers, start counting numbers. Start counting numbers. That's not alphabet still. So you understand. For example, let's see how this 359. You can see they started with number sign. Check there. They started with number sign. I think you are together. Then they continued with the dots of letter C, which shows 3, 3, 3, 3. We could leave C, we could read C in case they did not start with the number sign, but because of starting with the number sign, we read 3. You can see number sign 3. I think you are together. Then 5, E, then 9, then we read 359 because of starting with the number sign in front of these alphabets. It's very easy to write in Braille. Simply, if you have understood, if you know how to write from letter A up to letter J in Braille, 100% you are fine. You are good at writing from 1, or you are good at writing a number. You can write 100, 1,000, 10 million, starting with these things, these letters from A up to letter J. You only start with the number sign, then other things come after. Having understood how to write number sign, so it's only to have known how to write number sign. Dot 3, dot 4, dot 5, as well as dot 6. That's what we call number sign. Please, dear friends, if you know that you did not subscribe, it's time that you subscribed. For more videos, please click the notification bell for more updates. This was all about Braille for math, or Braille for mathematics. Braille numbers are written by putting a number sign in front of the first 10 letters of the alphabet. I repeat again, Braille numbers are written by putting a number sign in front of the first 10 letters of alphabets. I repeat again. Braille numbers are written by putting a number sign in front of the first 10 letters of the alphabet. Simply understand so. Alphabet. That's how we write numbers in Braille. I repeat again, if you have not subscribed, it's time now you subscribed for more videos, for more updates. This is Inyanja Media TV. You can search, you can type Inyanja Media TV on YouTube. Then subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. Invite your colleagues, invite your friends to subscribe if they have not subscribed. Math symbols. Let's talk about, I think you have understood how we write numbers in Braille. So let's talk about math symbols. In mathematics, we have plus sign, minus sign, multiplication sign, division sign, and other signs. So let's say addition sign, subtraction sign. Of course, we have different signs in mathematics. This is addition sign, this is subtraction sign, this is multiplication sign. And here below we have division sign and equal sign. You can say equal sign. This is what we call equal sign. So let's talk about how these mathematical symbols are written in Braille. Addition sign is written with the two cells. So you understand, it is a composite sign. A sign which occupies or which takes two cells or more than two cells. So you can see first 6 dots and the second 6 dots. Remember that composite signs or composite sign is a sign which takes at least 2 cells, and this is composite sign. So let's see how you can see how addition sign is written in Braille. Addition sign is written first cell, we have dot 5, then the second cell we have dot 2, dot 3 and dot 5. Those are the dots which makes plus in Braille. You can see this is positive sign, this is addition sign in Braille. This is how we write addition sign in Braille. Then let's continue with subtraction sign. You understand, as I said, we have composite sign. We have what we call composite sign, a sign which takes at least 2 cells. So those 2 cells, the first cell we have dot 5, the second cell we have dot 3 and dot 6. You can see, I think it's very easy to see and it is clear. This is how we write negative sign in Braille. This is how we write negative sign or subtraction sign in Braille. Let's go to multiplication sign. Multiplication sign, you can see, and this is how we write multiplication sign. It's very easy. What you have to understand is that things happens having been prepared, having been planned. So this is how we write multiplication sign in Braille. Dear friend, if you have not subscribed, please, it's time now to subscribe. I repeat again, this is Inyanja Media TV. IKIWA space MEDIE space TV. Then you subscribe. This is multiplication sign. This is what we call multiplication sign. Mathematically, or mathematicians know. Mathematicians, I think, will need these signs. They will need these signs in whatever they do. Then this is division sign. This is what we call division sign. Dots, dot 5 in cell 1 and dot 3 and 4. You start with dot 5. Let me say that mathematical signs which include addition, subtraction, equal sign, as well as others, consist dot 5 in the first cell. Dot 5, you start with dot 5, then continue with these dots. As you can see, the division sign consists of dot 5 in the first cell. In the second cell we have dot 2, dot 5 and dot 6. Simply so. Also, we can write division sign with what we call ST, still. That's what we call, that's an abbreviation, or simply let me say it's a short form which stands for still. A short form in Braille, ST. You start with dot 5, then this symbol, this one, let me show you. This one is what we call ST. This is how we write ST in words. And if you take dot 5 in front of ST, that's not still ST but division sign. Then let's stop by this equal sign. As I said, we have dot 5 as well as dot 2, dot 3, dot 5 and dot 6. Two cells. So thank you for having subscribed. But if you know that your colleague needs these reasons, please invite. Tell them that this is an inclusive channel. Inyanja Media TV. Inyanja Media TV is an inclusive channel. We provide you different lessons: Braille lessons, mathematics related lessons, biology, physical, different lessons from Inyanja Media TV. It's only to have subscribed. Like a bonus, let me give you an example. As I said, we are in numbers. We are dealing with mathematics. Mathematicians, I think, will comment, will tell me the importance of knowing Braille. Here they will say what you call an insight they got from this one. You can see this is 50 plus 10, which is equal to 60. Remember that I told you, in case we are dealing with numbers, we have to start with number sign. And the number sign, let me show you number sign. Let me remind you number sign. Dot 3 dot 4, dot 5, and dot 6. That is what we call number sign. In case we are going to deal with numbers in Braille, we start with number sign first. Then you continue with the alphabets, but respectively. If it is 5, we take the 5th alphabet. We take the dot of 5th alphabet. We start, as I said, we start with number sign, then the dots of 5th alphabet, because it is the 5. It is 5 we are going to write. So you can see we are going to write 50 plus 10, which is equal to 60. Understand? We will take the dots of, we will take number sign. We are going to start with number sign, then the dots of letter, the 5th letter in alphabet. Then we continue with J, the dots of J, because J is the 10th letter of the alphabet. Then remember, I have just said about the sign of plus addition sign. You remember. So you can see we have number sign, we have E, the 5th letter of the alphabet, we have J. I think it's clear. Then addition sign. This is the addition sign. Addition sign. Then of course we have 50 plus 10. This is 10. Let me show you 10. 10. You understand? We will start with the number sign. Then 10 is 1. Letter A, the first letter of the alphabet. A and 0. Then we have 10. Remember that we are dealing with this number. Then we finished writing 50 plus 10. We are going to write equal 60. Then this is equal sign. This is equal sign. Then the rest is 60. You understand? We will take the 6th letter of the alphabet, the dots of the 6th letter of the alphabet, and 0. You understand? The 0 is J. So that's what is written here. Number sign, the dots of the 6th letter of the alphabet, and the 10th letter of the alphabet. Then we have 50 plus 10, which is equal to 60. Let me try to zoom out so that you can see. You can read for yourself. This is how we write mathematics in Braille. This is how we write mathematics in Braille. I repeat again. Thank you so much for having subscribed, liked, commented. Please, if you want us to change something, you are not you are mature enough to think and to decide and to determine what is effective in your life. Please provide us some comments so that we can change something. Unless you do, you are mistaken. Don't hesitate, please. If you saw something which is not effective, please notify us. Please put it in comment so that we can change next time, so that we can at least improve something, though it can be small, but a little one. We are trying to help people understand that blind persons can learn, can act, can perform, writing things as others, reading things as others. Please invite other people to watch the videos. Tag people who are in charge of helping people who are blind for some supports. I think everything is clear. Thank you so much. God bless you. Until next time. This is Inyanja Media TV. This is Inyanja Media TV. Braille for maths. Braille for mathematics. Braille for mathematics. Let me repeat again. Braille numbers are written by putting a number sign in front of the first 10 letters of the alphabet, but respectively, if it is alphabet A, the A or letter A, that is 1. In case you started with number sign in front of that letter. Thank you so much.